Good evening. 5 long days since a record-breaking blizzard, and Newfoundlanders were given a partial reprieve today, permission to replenish their empty cupboards. For the first time since last week's massive storm, grocery stores were allowed to open. In St. John's, the lineup snaked around the block outside the stores and continued on at the cash registers. There it is inside. And with so much demand, there are new concerns about supply to an island that's still mostly cut off. NTV's Leila Beaudoin reports.
Welcome to Coleman.
For thousands of snow-weary Newfoundlanders, it was a chance to stock up.
Bread and milk mainly.
Basics, eggs, milks, and breads, that's all.
And finally get out of the house.
It's nice. It's nice just out talking to the people in line up here and, you know.
Within hours, some grocery stores were already running out of popular items, even with a limit of 2 loaves of bread and 2 cartons of milk per person, prompting concerns about staying stocked.
I tell you right now, tomorrow, we're not going to have much. We're on an island. Unless you start sending stuff in, what are we going to do in about a week's time? Because this is not going to last long today. Anyways, I got to run.
High demand items and those with a shorter shelf life are a bit of a concern.
Despite today's 8-hour window for grocery shopping, the mayor still wants cars off the road.
Parking bans are in place. We want our equipment to have unfettered access to the road so we can get this cleaned up as quickly as possible.
A colossal cleanup effort, even with hundreds of Canadian troops on the ground to help.
I know that my group is committed, and we're here until our leadership in the province sees no need for us here.
Much of the snow is slowly being trucked and dumped into St. John's Harbour. The government says the state of emergency in the city will continue into day 6, but it will grant more exceptions.
So we'll be in a position tomorrow at this time to have 3 snow blowers positioned for St. John's.
As of midnight, taxis will also be allowed back on the road, allowing stranded passengers to get to St. John's International Airport, which reopens tomorrow. Garbage and recycling services are still suspended, and schools will remain closed for the rest of the week. Grocery stores will open again tomorrow, but in addition to the high demand, food shipments into the province have also been affected, and those lineups are only expected to grow. Lisa.
Need patience there. All right, Leila Beaudoin, thank you for this tonight in St. John.